Hello friends, how are you? I think you got an excellent class from Lucy in the previous video. As you know, that we thoroughly discussed 3 important lessons, let's jump to the 4th one, which is future action. Before we begin, I would like to ask all new students to watch those 3 previous lessons. First lesson, ongoing action. Second lesson, habit. And the third lesson was past action. So, now we are going to discuss future actions. The future could be any time or a day, such as just a moment later, tonight, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, next month, etc. Lesson 4, Part A. Let's get started with an example. I will start a business. Subject plus will plus V1. This sentence means that I have decided to start a business but not yet started. So, that is obviously a future action. Do you understand? Don't worry. If you still have doubts, I will help you. I will visit Taj Mahal. I will upload a new video on YouTube. We will shift our office to a new building. They will earn good profit in this year. Lucy will consult a dental doctor tomorrow because she is suffering from toothache. I will go for fishing. I will subscribe this channel. Sarah and I will open a new bank account. Friends, don't think English is a difficult language to learn. Be with us and we will help you. Try to learn a new word every day, then make sentences. You will quickly improve if you have good friends and colleagues. Don't ever hesitate to speak with them in English. I will show you a few more examples. I will buy a new car. They will help you. It will rain today. You will pass the exam. Now, we can learn how to make in negative sentences. Lesson 4, Part B. There is an example for you. I won't accept that offer. Use will plus not after subject. I won't go to club today because I have some pending works. The company won't continue the construction work because of financial problems. He won't become fat because he goes to gym every day. Mr. John won't reach on time because his train is late. More examples. I won't come tomorrow. She won't help us. They won't reach on time. My uncle won't like it. I won't do so. She won't bring it. Lucy won't wear this dress. I won't obey him. He won't beat you. Fatima won't talk to you. Friends, I won't teach you the next part of this lesson in this video because I am going for a walk with my puppy. We will continue this lesson in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.